choice today with the 2023 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, leather trim seats, driver attention alert system. Come take a test drive today.